15. Write SEO optimized content. Many people look for keyword optimized articles in their niche to generate more traffic to their websites. If you have any knowledge of SEO, search engine optimization, and can write keyword optimized articles in any niche, then you can make good money out of it. In order for you to make money writing SEO articles, here are some steps you can take. Get yourself registered in freelancing sites like Freelancer, Fiverr, Upwork, etc. Make a profile with samples of your previous work. It is important that you provide as many samples as possible. Ensure these samples are original and have not been published on any platform. This will give those reviewing your application an easy time deciding on whether or not you meet their standards. Apply for SEO writing jobs on content freelancing sites. Here, you want to start with short, simple articles and progress towards longer and more complex ones. Again, you must make sure you meet all the requirements of the customer. This is where you start building your profile. Get as many positive reviews as possible, as this is what will determine whether you move up the ladder or remain stagnant. The best way to do this is to write articles you are comfortable with. Specializing in a particular niche or category will ensure you write quality. Write articles based on keyword requirements. Submit them back on time and get paid. All your articles must meet or even exceed all customer requirements. If any aspects of the instructions are not clear, it is advisable that you seek clarification from either the customer or client. All the keywords must be used in your article as requested by the customer. You should avoid keyword stuffing at all times. Keyword stuffing is where you use excessive keywords over and over again. Use it exactly the number of times specified by the customer. In cases where the customer does not specify the number of times you can use the keyword, 1 to 3% keyword density would be acceptable. Most importantly, you must ensure you write your articles within the time frame provided. Most sites will not accept any late submissions. Register with websites that deal with SEO content creation for clients such as Eyewriter. Their rate is around $1.25 for a 150-word article, and their minimum payout is $20. One downside, as already mentioned, is that clients on Eyewriter do not have to approve your article. If they reject it, you won't get paid. Typically, you'll get around 80 to 90% of your articles approved, while the other 10 to 20% will require some editing. Delivering high-quality content will help you earn money on this site. After you've received 4-star reviews for 30 articles, you'll become a premium writer, doubling your pay. And when you hit 30 articles with 4.5-star reviews, you'll get triple the pay and be an elite writer. How much money can I make writing SEO optimized content? You can either charge a flat fee or hourly. If hourly, then you can expect anywhere from $4 to $25 an hour. If by the article, you can charge from 1 cent per word at the low end or higher.